Hello friends, I'm Chawla. I'm MTO certified driving instructor working in Brampton. We are standing at the Brampton test center and we are going to go to Brampton G2 test route today. And Brampton is having two test routes. We'll go both the route one by one. First we go to route number 1. Now we are going to go to G2 test route in Brampton and route number 1. As I told you, two routes are there. Now we are going to go to route number 1. And when you take here, they will take you right and do parallel parking and 3 turn there. We are not allowed to do parking practice there, so we are going to skip that part and we are going to go left straight on the route. See this stop sign? So they make sure stop at the stop sign before the crosswalk and check both sides for the traffic. Usually sometimes there's a lot of traffic there. Stop at the stop sign, white line there. Stop here. Before the crosswalk, check anyone coming, no one coming. You will take left and make sure go to the first lane here and then change it to right. Then change it to right. And then you will take a right on the first traffic light, Biscayne Crescent. And you take a right here. Speed limit is 50 here. Now this road somewhere examiner will tell you to pull over and you have to make sure you check blind spot, pull over on the right side. And they will tell you to do like here, maybe uphill or downhill parking. And then they will tell you like do uphill or downhill parking. Whatever thing they tell you, if it's downhill you are turning to the right side, uphill you are turning to the left side. And they say always a curve here, so you don't have to worry about the curve or not curve. There is a curve here, so uphill is left, downhill is right. And then when the examiner tell you to take it out, make sure you look back, check blind spot, put indicator and then take it out. Then from the next stop sign, you go first Gulf Boulevard again and make sure stop at the stop sign completely. The left indicator, there's a white line there, make sure stop at the white line completely, 100%. And look, anyone coming? Yeah, cars are coming from both sides, just wait for them. When you take left here, just make sure don't touch any line, try not to touch any line. Go to the first lane here and then speed up. And weekday speed limit is 40 here when the school is on, but weekend speed is 50 here when the light is not on, and change it to right. For this lane change, examiner will not tell you. You have to do by yourself. And speed limit is 50 here right now because there's no school that is not flashing and no kids outside, so it's 50 here. And after that you take a right on Kennedy. And light is red, first we'll stop here on the red light. Stop at the red light. Complete stop. Go further ahead, check the cars coming, so wait for that car. More cars coming, wait for all of them. Yeah, please turn right, so we can turn right here. When you turn right on the red light, first thing is make sure you stop at the red light. Don't just look and go. Stopping is a must on the red light. After that, next step is like examiner will tell you to take a right on Steels Avenue. Cars bus coming, wait for all of them. You can go a little further, see. So after these 2-3 cars, we can turn right. And turn right on the Steels Avenue. And after that, examiner may tell you to take a right from the Resolution Drive. Take a right on the Resolution Drive. Left from the next stop sign. Make sure you check blind spot, check mirror, give indicator, and go to the left lane to go left here. We'll take a right from this stop sign. Stop sign. Then somewhere tell you to take a right into the testing center. And this will end here. Okay friends, now we are going to G2 test route in Brampton, route number 2. So again, like they ask parallel parking and 3-point turn here in the testing center. We are not allowed to do parking here, so we are not going to skip it. And stop sign, make sure stop at this completely at this stop sign, and then turn left here. And we are going to turn right from this stop sign. Stop here completely, make sure stop completely, go further, check anyone coming, no one, take a right on First Gulf Boulevard, then we'll go left on the next street, we change it to left, the next street is we'll take a left on the Biscayne Crescent, so take a left here on Biscayne Crescent. Then examiner will tell you to pull over on the right side here, look blind spot and make sure stop on the right side, not too far from the curb, not too close to the curb, just 15 centimeter away from the curb. And whenever then the examiner will tell you do uphill parking or downhill parking here. So whatever they say, uphill is left, downhill is right, and downhill is right, and because there's a curve here, so you don't have to worry about any curve or not curve. There's a curve here, so uphill is left, downhill is right here. So we will then it tell you take out, look at the line spot and take it out. And it's a Biscayne Crescent, speed limit is 50 here. And after that, examiner will tell you we are going to go left from that First Gulf Boulevard, so keep in left lane then, otherwise you have to keep in the right lane. So example told you to take left on the First Gulf Boulevard, put signal and go to the left lane. Make sure you go from the white divided line, not from the yellow line. Red light is red, we'll stop here, wait for the light to turn to green. Left on the first lane and then make sure change into right and don't hurt any bird. And on weekday the school light is flashing, so when the school light is flashing is 40 speed limit here, and if it's not then it's a 50 speed limit here. Just make sure, pay attention that it is a school light flashing or not. They'll take you right on Kennedy. It's a red light. First we'll stop there. Just make sure that no matter what, red light you have to stop. You can move further, see if anyone coming or not. Yes, somebody coming? No, no one is coming. Then we can take a right on a red light. During weekdays when there's a lot of traffic on Steels Avenue, sometime examiner they take you right from this plaza inside the test center. But as you know, like as you can see, there is no traffic there, so they will take you on the Steels Avenue. Light is green, we can go right. Sometime examiners they take you back from this resolution drive, but we are going to go further and we will take a right from the First Gulf Boulevard. And then examiner tells you whenever you feel safe, change it to right, so change it to right and take a right from the First Gulf Boulevard. Testing center. And when you come here, just make sure don't forget to stop at these two stop signs. They are very, very important. Every stop sign is important, but so many people they are very happy that they did good in job in the exam and they forget to stop at these stop signs. So make sure don't forget to stop at these stop signs. tell you to park anywhere. So find a good spot and park somewhere there. And I hope this is going to help you to pass your G2 exam. Okay, this ends Brampton G2 test route. If you need any help to prepare for your G2 test in the Brampton, call me at 416-275-3965. Once again, I'm Chawla. I'm MTO certified driving instructor.